Hi, I'm Aaron Gosvick. I am a local entrepreneur here in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. About 3 years ago, my wife and I, being entrepreneurs, we invest in commercial real estate. So we had some space here in Beaumont. We were looking at maybe putting a restaurant in or some sort of retail commercial development. And of course, COVID hit. So we were forced to make some decisions. We couldn't rent the space out. Coincidentally, we couldn't go to the gym anymore as well. So having some vacant space, my wife and I thought it'd be a great idea to look around and find some equipment to put into our vacant space. We've been weight training and in the fitness industry for about 30 years. So of course, our first inkling was to look at the Atlantis equipment. That was some of the stuff that we've used over the years and had great experiences with. After doing some of our research, comparing it to some of the newer brands out there, we were just really impressed with the build quality. We loved that they were Canadian. We enjoyed using the equipment ourselves, but we also, as an investment, loved the build quality, the engineering behind it. It was a no-brainer. We bought a bunch of Atlantis equipment. Once some of our friends and local pros heard that we were building a little gym, they asked if they can come train here. And of course, we were happy to have them here. As more and more people became interested, we had to go back to Atlantis and change our original order, I think 3 or 4 times. Originally, we were just going to get enough pieces for my wife and I, but by the time we ended up opening, we ended up doing a full kit. I think we got just about every piece that Atlantis had made at the time. One reason why we did choose Atlantis, we talked to several different gym owners that we know in the industry, and there's several new brands out there that we kind of compared it to. In Atlantis, being a gym owner, we were concerned about the quality. We have too many moving parts, too many maintenance pieces, too many pieces that could break. It's going to make it more difficult to maintain. Atlantis does a really good job with, they put a lot into their engineering. There's it's a simple design where there's very few moving parts, and the parts are welded together. They use the better gauge steel. But there's so many great pieces, and just the quality and the design is next to none. So it was a no-brainer. We've been happy with our purchase. After we opened for about a year, we filled our existing gym, and we had to expand. So we bought the bay next to us. And then, of course, we went back to Atlantis and doubled our order, added twice as much equipment. We were so happy with the first shipment. We had to get our second. And fingers crossed, we're going to be doing an expansion. And of course, we're going back to Atlantis for more. We love their stuff. We're excited to go to their facility and see their prototypes. I've heard they got some pretty interesting prototypes, and we're excited to see those, and hopefully we can get those on our next order. Proud to be one of the few gyms here in Western Canada that are fully kitted with Atlantis.